In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use left hand in Minecraft Bedrock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this slot and how you can use it with certain items. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do this on Minecraft Bedrock on PC, but of course the same instructions will apply for mobile, Xbox, and PlayStation. So unlike Java Edition, you cannot place any item in the game on this offhand slot. Sadly, in Bedrock Edition, it is limited to only some items. In this video, I'm going to be presenting two. So you can use this slot for a shield. So this is the main purpose of that slot. If you have a shield equipped there, every single time that you crouch, you will put the shield up. And if an enemy shoots a projectile or they try to do a melee hit on you, as long as you are facing them with the shield, it is going to block once. It is going to take a little bit of durability, and you won't take any major damage from the attack. Now, another item that you can equip are firework rockets. You might think that this is because you are able to use them with Elytra, but unlike Java Edition, this doesn't actually work. So you can put them in your offhand to use it in conjunction with a crossbow. So as you can see, if I have fireworks in my offhand, I can load up a crossbow and shoot that firework. It is a little bit weird, but this is the reason why you can have firework rockets in the offhand. Besides this, you can't really use it for anything else. So if I try to place torches, you will notice that it doesn't work, and it seems to be a Bedrock Edition limitation. However, you will still be able to use it for items like shields and the firework rocket. You can look for resource packs and behavior packs that might allow you to use alternative items like torches in these slots as well. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our content are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.